Hi guys, and welcome to my craft studio this afternoon. So this is a little impromptu video. I wasn't planning on doing this, but while I printed the sheets off, I thought I'd turn the camera on and show you what I'm up to. So this is the long awaited pink tulips bouquet collection. Thank you so much for all of the kind comments when I did the post on Facebook of my the Redbubble artwork. I couldn't wait to make it into craftables for you to have a play with, so I thought I would show you what was included. So we have your main topper at the top. We've got your mat and your polka dot panel for matting and layering. You have your 2 sentiments, wishing you a very happy Easter and wishing you a very happy birthday. Also included a little blank one if you wanted to use your sentiment stamps, peel-offs, anything else you wanted to pop your sentiments on with. Then we have topper sheet number 2. Bring that a little closer so you can see it. Now I find these quite easy to cut out by hand. I'm struggling a little bit with my hands at the moment, so I'm leaning on my Cameo and my Picscan mat to do a lot of cutting for me, which has been a little bit easier this week. So that's your topper sheets. Then I've got your floral corners. So these are great for inserts, outserts. Print them onto card, make your own card blanks with them. Our lovely Laura loves these because what she does is she cuts fussy cuts around the design and creates her own decoupage layers with them. Just add a little bit of extra depth and dimension on a card. Then we have your designer backing papers. We have your pink damask, your pink polka dot. We have got another little insert sheet. Great for inserts, outserts, same again, print on the card, use it as a card blank. And then just to finish the set off, I've included 4 different plain sheets of pink for to use for your matting and layering, and also as well if you wanted to do die cutting or punched elements that are the same colourways as the project, so everything matches for you. All the difficulty has been taken out of it, deciding what colours to use. They're all there for you. So this is available on the website now. I will pop the link in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.